Hi there, it's me again, the Sound Playground guy. Hey, I'm no Magnum, but you don't need to be a detective to find the best deal around on stereo, video, TV, or microwave. Isn't that right, sweetheart? Huh? Drive down to Sound Playground. We've got it all. The best for less, much less. I'm telling you, you won't find a better price anywhere. Am I keeping you awake, honey? Huh?
Sound Playground, Berlin Turnpike, Newington.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Sound Playground. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Sound Playground. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Sound Playground. Gobble, 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 gobble. And that's no gobbledygook. Woo!
Sound Playground, Berlin Turnpike, Newington.
Hey there, it's me again, the Sound Playground guy. Hey, I can offer you a deal on a stereo, video, TV, or microwave you can't refuse. Psst, come here. Go to Sound Playground now. Not tomorrow. Now. Oh, I can't help it if it's late, if we're closed. Wait. We've got it all. All the best for less. When it comes to selection and price, we've got the deals you can't refuse.
Sound Playground, Berlin Turnpike, Newington.